Dun, 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 dun. That's why we need slow-mo.
Yeah.
This episode of Behind the Bird is sponsored by, or brought to you by, Diet Coke. So here we are, setting up for the penultimate scene. It's actually only day 2, but we're filming it back to front. We need to simulate some time change, so the lads have still got beards, and tomorrow they won't have beards, so we've gone from like high school age all the way up through to sort of working life. Within the video now, they'll receive a text each which says barbecue this weekend, and that's when they all come back together. They've not seen each other for a while, and we're just going to film some good times, plenty of beer, plenty of burger flipping, and yeah, we're just setting up for it now, so better crack on.
Lying.
Sorry about him. he's a real character.
It's the only thing I need. Oh, it's the only thing I need.
Everything's heavy in the film business. It's just a rule.
Hello. Hello, behind the scenes.
Perfect. Perfect. This is Gemma. Hi, Gemma. This is Ryan. This is doing behind the scenes for us. Thank you, Ryan.
It's alright, mate.
Oh, you're both Ryan. That's Ryan as well.
Yeah, 2 Ryans.
Ryan. Thanks for your hard work so far.
Cheers, sir.
You're very welcome.
Thank you very much.
Thank you around the lighting. Taking them off the stands, putting them there. Trying to get the best out of the sun and the lights. So
A bit better.
bit of an experimenting situation, but we'll get there in a minute.
Close my eyes to see. It's the only thing I need. Then I can make it, and that friendship never faded. I knew if we.
Hey, this is my winter vehicle.
Testing out the props. Someone's got to do it. You know what I mean? So I always ride a short straw there. Can't bloody win, can you, Miles? This is Miles' beast. It's not really, it's just in the garage. This is me daddy boy. Yeah. Sound. What? Are those brakes? There must be. There's no brakes there. Right.
Bong, 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 bong. Okay, so we're again faking sunlight. These iris kick out a nice yellow glow, which is a bit more preferable to some of the LEDs that we use, a bit bluer light on those. So if you follow me around here, we've got the light shining through the window of this garage, and then when you're on the other side, fake sun on his face, looks like a sunny day outside, even though it's not. That's the magic of film.
It's the only thing I need. Yeah, it's the only thing I need.
There's a wrap on day 2. Thank you everybody for your help. Well done everybody. Good job. Thank you very much. Fantastic day. Day 3 and final day tomorrow. More stuff, but like I say, we're filming it back to front, so we're going to do all the earlier stuff tomorrow. These two, their beards are going to go, so they're going to be younger versions of themselves, which will be a laugh. And yeah, back to it tomorrow, but thanks for tuning in.